In the early 21st century, a revolution was brewing, not in the streets or in the halls of power, but in the quiet corners of the digital world. This revolution was not led by political figures or militants, but by a young entrepreneur named Andrew Weinreich. Weinreich, a graduate of Stanford University, had a vision. He envisioned a world where people could connect with each other in a way that had never been possible before. In 2000, he brought this vision to life with the creation of 6degrees.com, the first social networking site. 6degrees.com was a simple platform, allowing users to create profiles and list their friends, who in turn could add their own friends. The site was designed to illustrate the theory of 6 degrees of separation, a concept that suggested everyone in the world could be connected to each other through a chain of acquaintances of no more than 6 steps. The launch of 6degrees.com sparked a frenzy. People flocked to the site, eager to reconnect with old friends, make new ones, and explore this new digital frontier. The site quickly gained popularity, with over 1 million users in its first month. However, the initial excitement was not without challenges. Technical issues plagued the site, and its simplicity led to a lack of features that users now take for granted, such as privacy settings and the ability to share multimedia content. Despite these issues, 6degrees.com demonstrated the potential of social networking, showcasing the power of the Internet to bring people together. The impact of 6degrees.com was far-reaching. It paved the way for the development of more sophisticated social networking sites, such as Friendster, LinkedIn, and, most notably, Facebook. These platforms would change the way people communicated, worked, and socialized, forever altering the fabric of society. The birth of social media marked a turning point in human history. It connected the world in ways that were previously unimaginable, bridging distances and breaking down barriers. It allowed people to form communities, share ideas, and collaborate on a global scale. The revolution Weinreich had envisioned was no longer just a dream, but a reality that continues to shape our world today. As we stand on the precipice of the next wave of social media innovation, it's important to remember the roots of this digital revolution. 6degrees.com may have had its challenges, but it was a pioneer that opened the door to a new era of connection and collaboration. Its legacy lives on in every like, share, and comment, reminding us of the power of human connection in an increasingly interconnected world.